Thanks for tuning back in to day 13 of Vlogmas. It's your girl, Sai. And today, what I have for you is I am just going to be opening, we are just going to be opening this magic pearls. My sister had got this for me, her, and my cousin, and it seemed like I'm the only one who really wanted them. So I have them and I want to open it. As you can see, it was $4.99 at the store called Roses. Like I said, it's called Magic Pearls. And basically it says, what pearl does your magic oyster hold? So we open it up, and the options that maybe can come in the oyster are a black pearl for love, a cream color for success, peach for health, purple for wealth, white for wisdom. And then as you can see, it has the oyster in its little can and the necklace. So we're just gonna get right in and open it. I don't know if y'all can see that it's like an oyster in there, like for real. Oh snap, that's cool. And I'm kind of scared to wear these necklaces because my skin has been like crazy over the last year. And like normally stuff that I was able to wear, I'm not able to wear anymore. So, but if anything, I can just put it on another chain. I'm trying to figure out how to open it. I don't know. We're gonna sit that down for right now. Okay, so it comes with this as well. And this is a little spatula and a instruction card. And on the instruction card, it basically tells you, you know, the color of the pearls and the meaning of them. And it says the pearl is an eternal symbol of purity and innocence. And then it says, what does your magic pearl reveal? Then it gives the colors. And then the instructions are to delicately open the tin and remove the oyster from the water. Open it with the tool and remove the pearl. Wipe the pearl dry. Then it says open the pendant on the necklace and place the pearl inside. Then close the pendant. And then it says do not eat the oyster. Do not drink the liquid inside. And then it says discard the box, the liquid, and the shell after opening. So throw this stuff away. Don't go be trying to eat it or drink it or cook it. I mean, you know. And then of course keep all of the magic pearl contents away from the children. So I really want to try to get this open first. I just don't know how they did it. Oh, I got it. Okay, so we got our pendant, our necklace open. We're just gonna sit that to the side. So you can see the oyster in there. I bet this stank. Oh my. Here we go. I wonder what color I'm gonna get. Okay, so It doesn't stink, actually, so that's good. I'm trying not to get it on my laptop. My laptop's sitting right here in front of me. It smells like alcohol, actually. So I'm gonna go dump this water out and I'll be right back. Okay, so I dumped the water out. I'm kind of scared. This is my first time ever handling an oyster in its shell. So it's just... And I'm supposed to pry it open, but how am I supposed to pry it open? I don't see no holes. Oh, I do see a hole. I got my handy dandy clipboard here, or Kaylin's handy dandy clipboard, so I can have something. Oh, this is not hard. I'm just basically taking it around the outer shell. I found a little opening and I'm just basically taking the spatula and just kind of going around the rim to get it open. Ooh. Is completely dead. Oh, and it's shaped like a heart. Isn't that cool? I can kind of see inside. I think I might have a cream one or a pink one. Maybe, I think. Kind of broke it. You see the rainbowy pattern? So this thing is harder to open than I thought. Like, but I'm getting it. It's just you gotta pry it open, literally. Oh! I got it! I got it open! And my pearl! This is the oyster that people eat. And you see my pearl? It's pink! And pink means health. So, health. The original question was, what does your pearl, what pearl does your magic oyster hold? And mine was the one that contains health. The health pearl. I'm excited. Okay, so the instructions say to wash the pearl off and then put it in the necklace. So I'm gonna go do that. I'm gonna put this shit back in the container that it came out, close it back up and put it in the container that it came out of. And I'm gonna go wash the pearl off and I'll let you all see. My pearl all washed off. It's the peach color. I'm excited. Isn't it cute? Let's go put the necklace on. Let's go put it in the necklace and put the necklace on. Got everything washed off. We got the necklace open. We got the pearl. So we're always buckle my necklaces from my right side, probably because I'm right-handed, but do you do that? Or it doesn't matter what side that you do yours? Okay. See, guys? How does it look? Does it look good? I bet it do. Yeah, I really like it. I have a mirror right here so I can see, but I like it. It's cute. It's something simple. It's not too long. It's not too short. That's all I have for you today, guys. Just opening up and going through this magic pearl process with you. I love the outcome. I'm so excited about my pearl. I can't wait to see what the other two ladies got. So I'll see you in the next video.